What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a powerful gaming setup without a bulky desktop tower, then a Gaming Mini PC might be exactly what you need. These compact machines are now powerful enough to handle AAA games, streaming, content creation, and multitasking, all while saving space. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best gaming mini PCs of 2026. I'll break down the specs, real-world performance, pros and cons, and help you decide which one fits your needs. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. GMKtec Gaming Mini PC Ryzen 7 640HS M6 Ultra. This mini PC features the AMD Ryzen 5 7640HS paired with 16GB DDR5 RAM and a 512GB NVMe SSD. It includes dual 2.5 GB LAN ports, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, and even USB 4 support. The 7640HS delivers strong 1080p gaming performance thanks to RDNA 3 integrated graphics. It handles esports titles like Valorant, CS2, and Fortnite smoothly, and even manages some AAA games at medium settings. For work tasks like video editing, coding, and multitasking, it performs surprisingly well. Pros: excellent CPU performance for the price. USB 4 support for fast expansion, dual 2.5 GB LAN, great for networking setups, compact and energy efficient. Cons: 16GB RAM may feel limited for heavy multitasking, not ideal for high-end 1440p or 4K gaming. A fantastic entry-level gaming mini PC that balances performance and price very well. Number 2. Beelink SER9 Pro Mini PC. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 H255 8C to 16T up to 4.9 GHz with 32GB LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD. It supports 4K at 240 Hz, triple display via HDMI 2.1, DP 2.1, and USB 4, plus Wi-Fi 6 and 2.5G LAN. This machine is built for serious multitasking and smooth gameplay. The 32GB RAM gives it a huge advantage for creators, streamers, and heavy users. Integrated graphics handle most modern games at 1080p high settings comfortably. Pros: 32GB high-speed RAM, large 1TB SSD, 4K 240Hz display support, premium build quality. Cons: higher price range, no dedicated GPU. Perfect for gamers who also create content and want a future-proof compact system. Number 3. GMKtec Ryzen 7 8845HS K8+. This beast comes with the Ryzen 7 8845HS and Radeon 780M graphics, along with 32GB DDR5 RAM and 512GB PCIe 4.0 SSD. It features Oculink support for USB-C 4 ports, HDMI 2.1, and DP 2.1. The 8845 with Radeon 780M is one of the strongest integrated graphics solutions right now. It handles demanding titles better than most mini PCs in this class. The Oculink port allows connection to an external GPU, which is a huge advantage for future upgrades. Pros: extremely powerful integrated graphics, Oculink for external GPU support, 32GB DDR5 RAM, strong multitasking performance. Cons: 512GB storage may fill up quickly. External GPU setup costs extra. If you want the most gaming power in a mini PC without jumping to a full desktop, this is a top-tier option. Number 4. Beelink EQR6 AI Mini PC. Powered by the Ryzen 7 6800U with 24GB LPDDR5X RAM and 500GB PCIe 4.0 SSD. It supports dual 4K displays, includes Wi-Fi 6 and 1000 megabits LAN. While slightly older than the others, the 6800U is still very capable. It's excellent for light gaming, emulation, office work, and streaming. It's quieter and more power efficient compared to high-performance models. Pros: great value option. 24 GB RAM is generous, quiet and efficient, good for casual gaming. Cons: not ideal for heavy AAA gaming, only 1 gigabit LAN. A solid, budget-friendly gaming mini PC for casual gamers and everyday users. Number 5. Beelink GTi13 Mini PC, Intel Core i9-13900HK. This powerhouse features the Intel Core i9-13900HK, 14C to 20T up to 5.4 GHz, with 32 GB DDR5 RAM and 1 TB SSD. It supports Thunderbolt 4, PCIe X8 slot expansion, Wi-Fi 6, and 2.5G LAN. The i9-13900HK delivers desktop-level performance in a compact body. It's amazing for high-end productivity, streaming, 3D rendering, and paired with external GPU setups. Gaming performance is excellent when connected to an eGPU. Pros: extremely powerful processor, Thunderbolt 4 support, PCIe X8 expansion slot, premium build and cooling. Cons: overkill for casual users. Best choice for power users who want maximum performance in a mini PC. That wraps up our top 5 best gaming mini PCs of 2026. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future tech reviews. Links to all the products are in the description below. Let me know in the comments which mini PC you would choose, or if you're waiting for something even more powerful in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.